Molly,
Huh?
come here for a minute.
Huh?
What do you think Santa brought you?
Huh?
What do you think Santa brought you?
Huh?
Baby. Hmm? Let's go find out. Come here.
Huh?
Come on.
Hmm?
Let's go see.
Baby?
Do you think Santa brought you a baby? I don't know.
A baby.
Let's try this one.
Huh? A baby.
What's this?
A baby. Baby.
Yeah. You want to sit with me?
A baby.
Yeah, come here, sit with me. Look, we're gonna open this one, Tina. Yeah, we'll open that one next. Let's open this one.
A baby.
I don't know. You gotta find out. There you go. Open it up.
Huh?
Pick it open.
Baby.
Keep going.
Baby.
Keep opening. What is that?
Baby.
Really? Santa brought you babies?
Wow. Are you so happy?
You want to see them?
Yeah.
Okay.
A baby.
Take.
Is it for Molly?
Huh?
Is it for Molly?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, baby.
Wow, baby. I think they're handcuffed in there at the moment, Molly. You can get them out.
Baby?
Baby! That's what you've been asking for from Santa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You must have been a very good girl.
Huh?
Oh,
That's cute.
that's cute.
You give them hugs?
Huh?
You give them both hugs?
Say, I love you, baby. Oh.
You happy?
Cute.
Are we going?
They go in the buggy?
Huh?
You go in the cuchara?
Huh?
You can put one in the...
Oh, rough.
Puppy.
Puppy, yeah. That's a very nice one.
Bye. You taking your new babies for a walk? See you later.
Bye, Molly.
I think she's happy. Oh, you're such a good mommy. Good job.
Bye, Molly.